What's up everybody, it is Luke here again, bringing you another video. So today we're talking about Airtime Awards. See right on the top left, app, on the phone, easy as, simple. All it does, it is a great way to offset your mobile phone airtime bill every month, and basically to the point where you don't have to pay any bill. Just by having the app, doing a couple of things on it, and then that is all you've got to do for the foreseeable future. And the great thing about it is that it's almost like a cashback sort of website app thing, but it will be, you can basically use it in conjunction with like Top Cashback, delivery deals, complete savings, all those sort of websites as well. So you basically are compounding the sort of cashback side of things, and you're getting it through a different avenue as well as another avenue. So you're basically splitting it into two. But obviously, for example, you can't, like with cashback, you can't go through all three websites and get it 3 times. So this is a good extra way to save some cash, get some extra cash back in a different way, but ultimately still saving you money in the long run. So let's just go ahead and jump exactly into it, and I'll show you exactly what it is. Now, don't worry, that is my mobile number. If you really want to send me nudes, then go ahead, but not really looking forward to that. Anyway, back to the action. You can see here, you go onto the app and you can see all the different companies you can get cashback in. Example, Morrison's. Jump on, you can see you get 10% with a £30 spend. So anything above that, obviously base rate, maybe before, under, sorry. And it will have, lots of different places like Argos there, 4%. Now the great thing about this is that at the bottom here it has cards. All you've got to go ahead and do is add all of your debit and credit cards that you use to it, and then when you use those cards online, it registers the transaction through the app. And then it obviously builds up some balance. You can see here current balance is 290, total balance is 107. And then you can redeem, like here, you can go to the amount that you would want to redeem and in £5 increments, and decide what you want to send over across to your mobile phone number. So you basically register your mobile phone. When you get to a certain balance, send it across, and boom, no more bills. Now, of course, if you've got a contract, you normally have your bill divided into 2 aspects, which is number 1, the airtime side, minutes, texts, internet, all that sort of thing. And then you have the mobile phone itself on the other side. And that, if you don't, if you bought it outright, fair, awesome, even better. Probably have no bills. But for me, I'll have mine split, because obviously I've got an iPhone because I wanted to use it for work. Well, whatever this is. And yeah, so obviously I got a phone that was actually a little bit more higher spec. But it's awesome. It does it automatically. All you got to do is download the app once, add your cards, and that's it. And then you can just leave it, and you'll get a notification when cashback sort of actioned or like recorded. And then once you get your balance up, it's almost within like an hour, the credit will go onto your account. Now I'll show you exactly what I mean. So if we go here, you can go ahead onto my O2 bill. So I'll show you exactly what happens. So you jump on, you can see, you've got a split here, October airtime bill and monthly device plan. So the monthly device plan will obviously never change. That is the cost that I pay for the phone, for the life of the contract, whatever it is. Now the October airtime bill side is the amount that you can reduce. And you can see here, extra charges to your November bill is actually a minus £95. So if you wanted to jump onto it, oh, hello Matt. If you wanted to jump onto it, go here, you can see all the values that I've actually sent under Airtime Awards to my O2 bill, to offset. And just as an example, you can go on to now, that's obviously under November. So of course, the whole £95 won't go against it. It will just be up to basically you should show, when it comes to renewing the bill, it should show as a 0. But, if you jump on here, you can go things you bought where it says minus £10, and you can see here, £10 was actually allocated against that month. So it does work. And this is awesome. So that means now, almost forever, I'll have a decent balance on this, a minus credit balance. I think that's the correct term. So that I can always have almost 0 airtime bills, obviously depending on the size of my airtime. And the great thing about this is that, if you're doing sort of online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, or whatever you're doing, and you need to say maybe you want more data, but of course it's maybe £10 for an add-on for data for every month. So you're like, well, I don't want to keep adding on data every time. I'm going through a lot. Well, hang on, by just adding this once, you are now basically having free data, or you're having free text or free minutes, but no one uses text or minutes, do they? I mean, come on. Pretty much the data side of it. I think I probably called for about 4 minutes in the last 6 months, but anyway, another story. But the data side, that is sometimes really, really important. If we just have a look here, get more data, and you can see the cost to add, if you want an extra, what's 1 gig, £10.50. Well, if I've got £95 balance, I could add a couple of these on. I could add a 2, a 4, every month you could add potentially like the 8 gig or the 4 gig for free. And for someone like doing retail arbitrage, which I don't, but if you do, perfect. That means you're keeping your costs down and actually able to enhance your business and pay no more. And of course, if you want to do it to stream, or you want to watch YouTube, or watch Facebook videos or lives, then of course you can do that as well. And like I said, once you've done it once and input the cards, there's no more action. All you got to do is every so often just go on, say the amount that you want to send to your account, send it to the the O2 or the Vodafone. And I do believe it's on Vodafone and O2. I'm not sure about the others. You'll have to check yourself. But I'm going to guess that they support all the major providers. Then this is a great addition. The perfect thing about this is that you can use it in conjunction with all the cashback sites. Now it's almost never, there's never anything you can use. If you're using a cashback site, there's not really anything else you can use with it, because it will only, if you go on to Complete Savings, Top Cashback, it only records one. With this, you're now adding another layer to that process and actually capturing more cashback, which is ultimately, if you can capture 100% cashback, then you're doing retail online arbitrage for free. Of course it's never going to get to that, but you sort of see what I mean. Now if anyone's interested and they want to actually sign up, and you both get £1, that's not £100, that is a £1. Maybe you can get some, I don't know, do they still do 10p pick and mix? Oh, those good old 10p pick and mix back in the day. Oh, bring back some memories there, but get what I mean. You can use that code. I'll probably post it in the link in the description, all that sort of thing. Otherwise, go off and do it your own. Go and do it yourself. There we are, better English. But yeah, this is something I would definitely suggest getting. Even if you just barely ever go onto it, you just do it once, and barely ever even look at it and act like it's there, basically. But like every now and then you go, oh yeah, I'll see what I've got, and then just send over the balance. It's literally as easy as that, and you can basically get free bills. Not going to go on to any more of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. You can go ahead, just download it from the App Store, and it is called, just so you can see, Airtime Rewards on the app. And so have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.